So in this video, if you notice a lot of muffled audio, that's because miraculously I had my thumb covering the microphone on the GoPro every time I basically picked it up. So I apologize in advance. I'm sorry. I'm working on it. So hopefully you enjoyed little voiceover gunner action. And do enjoy the rest of the video. I'll do whatever I can in editing to make sure the audio, you guys get the best audio you can. So without further ado, thank you for clicking on the video. Let's get into it. I really hope the microphone isn't destroyed on this.
I hope so too.
Alright. What's going on, everyone? Hope you guys are having a great day today. And if you can see behind me, we have the Focus ST that you saw in the last video, because we are putting on an exhaust with my boy Jason. So we're gonna get to unboxing this. Tell us about the exhaust as you unbox.
It's a AWE Catback exhaust, track edition. So it's a little bit louder than the touring one, which I wanted. And this thing is gonna be tight, dude. I'm excited. Ready?
Yeah, let's get it.
Gunner.
See tips, bro.
So we got our black right in here.
Oh!
You know,
that lollipop?
Either we gotta include that lollipop in there. I'll keep that for later. And then we got all the piping we need right in here.
Oh, that's a big boy resonator muffler thing. All right. It's gonna be rowdy. So we got the car up off the ground on some Walmart tack stands. Yeah, hopefully we don't die. I didn't buy the warranty in case we do die. Then we're just gonna take you along. Jason's gonna, well, me, Jason, and I are gonna actually start tearing apart into it. We already sprayed some of the bolts because they looked a little crusty, a little crusty.
Yeah, 75,000
So,
miles. No one ever touched those bolts. They're probably gonna go nice and tight.
so yeah, we're gonna get on the car, get into it. Bro, you know what would go a lot faster?
The gun?
We need speed, dude.
This thing is so crushing my chest. Oh yeah, dude, that's how long this thing was?
Yeah, dude, that's what I'm saying. Good, bro.
How do I take this off? Is there a button back
No,
here?
you just pull, dude.
I did pull, but it's all nice and slimy. WD-40, bro.
Why do you need to take it off?
Cause it's too hard on there. I have to use the
Oh, dude.
wrench thingy.
Let me see this.
Yeah.
Chotch.
Can you use this as a fucking?
Yeah.
Sorry. Damn. Stop. So I can just use it as a wrench?
Yeah. Use it as a wrench, dude.
Okay. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Yeah. Oh, look at you
What?
go.
Dude, I don't know that. I've never used power tools before. You want to push the button and I'll hold it?
Oh my god, dude. You know what? I'm gonna put this down and then I'm gonna take it off, dude.
Oh, okay, here, I'll take it off.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
I
Let me see
know
it.
you're recording, bro. I don't know you're recording. I'm an idiot.
Why is there tape?
I don't know.
It's like aluminum tape. I don't need it, dude.
I don't need it no more.
Don't need it. Do we wanna take off the clamps first?
Take it off from there?
Take it off from there, then chop.
Yeah. Yeah, let me go grab the tools for that.
Okay, go grab the tools.
Wonder what size I need that.
Grab all the sockets, dude. Grab all of them.
Take it off.
Yeah, we're gonna loosen that cut. Somebody got it off with some persuasion.
This thing sucked, bro.
Dude, what if you have a fatty exhaust leak after this?
Shut up. So it's supposed to be loose?
Yeah, it's a flex pipe and it's just on the hangers. So you're gonna have to take those two 12s off.
These?
Yeah, when we take when we put the new one on, because it's welded onto the thing, it's just gonna be easier.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. What's next?
Time to cut the muffler off, bro.
Boom.
And full send it like that.
Muffler delete. Muffler delete.
Alright, so I'm probably gonna do right. It gets all kinds of.
Wait, let me see the blade. Did you break it? Oh no, you're good.
Yeah, it's good. It's not bent. Just like once it gets deep in, it gets harder and harder.
Yeah, you need to press into it. Did you cut your floor?
Nah, I cut this metal piece.
Oh, okay.
Well, I didn't cut it. I just hit it.
Hey, more hard parts are done. All right, so we got the stock crusty boy off. We'll cut it out. Now it's just literally just a straight down pipe. I would turn it on, but I feel like it's gonna be way too loud if we turn it on right now. And it's on Jackson, so we don't really want to get in the car anyway. So yeah, next we're gonna start putting that guy on first, and then we're gonna do the part that goes over the axle, then the tips, which are right over there, and we already showed that to you. So
and the blow off valve.
And oh yeah, we're doing blow off valve too. I forgot. Yeah. Yep. So that's where we're at. All right, so right now Jason's working on the rear end of the exhaust. We got the main portion in right here. We're gonna tighten these exhaust clamps up. We're gonna figure out the hangers over there on the muffler, tighten everything down, clean it up, throw those tips on, and we're in business. We're gonna get started up and check for leaks next. This is only taken about an hour and a half, which isn't bad for amateurs. And Jason just said he's never worked on a car before, so.
Yeah, first time ever. I usually pay to get my stuff done, but you know, what better time to start learning than on a new car?
Focus. All right, so we're gonna catch you guys up when we're putting those nice tips on. I really love the black, by the way. Those are tight. It's like our catchphrase for this Forward Focus series. It's tight. Bro, you need to put the Roush sticker on. You need to put the AWE sticker on, dude.
I am. I gotta clean the windshield first.
Why are you putting it on the windshield?
I'm not the windshield.
The rear glass?
Rear window.
Oh.
Alright, get it out of gear. Let's go. Maybe a couple revs.
That sounds pretty good. Well, there's a fat resonator. We good, cuz?
Yeah. The other spots.
Just check the muffler. I checked the front too. Got that fresh, stinky exhaust smell, bro. guys, so we got the exhaust put on. Now we're doing more work on the car, and that is consisting of a symposer delete and a blow-off valve.
Turbo Smart blow-off valve.
Turbo Smart. So the symposer delete is basically making the cabin more quiet, and it's getting rid of all the excess noise into the cabin, making your car sound fast when it's not fast.
True.
So.
And then we're gonna run a natural vacuum line from that to the blow-off valve. That way my blow-off valve isn't blowing off every time I let off on the throttle. So it should be good.
We are someone working on the blow-off valve already, so.
Stay tuned.
We are going to shove cameras in people's faces now. So while they're working on that, we got the.
Oh, like that. Connect the line. Oh, sorry.
What's that go to?
The flashlight.
Oh.
The probably dropping it inside the engine.
Probably.
All right, so we're still working on his symposer delete. We are just chugging away on this blow-off valve. So far, so good. We are just following the instructions on the video. Is there torque specs for this?
I have no idea, buddy.
Send it. Send it. So we're just gonna throw the new one in and keep chugging, I guess. All right, yeah, that sounds good. Chugging. Woo, that sounds good. It sounds good over here.
You have your question. He dropped like $3,000 and hasn't made his first payment.
Take a ride. Dude, you think you can get some mean pops and bangs, dude? Alrighty guys, so it is a couple days later since I filmed that last clip. What you just saw was us road testing the vehicle, of course. So you may or may not be able to tell in camera, but when you're in the back seat, there is a lot of drone. So that's kind of a little bit disappointing, but the owner Jason says that it is not bad at all for him. So to each their own for that one. We also did that Turbo Smart blow-off valve. That also sounds pretty cool. Never really done a blow-off valve before, so that was interesting as well. And then we also had that symposer delete, and we got that all figured out. And car runs and drives beautifully. We had to adjust the turbo blow-off valve a little bit because we had to figure out the idle because it was idling really low, then it was idling really high. So using the cob access port, by the way, cob access port is great. I need to get one for the WRX, but we figured it out. We had to ring a buddy up, and we got all the help we needed. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It means a lot. Highly suggest telling your friends about it because it'll help me out a lot as well. And with all that being said, I got 2 videos popping up right now. I'll see you guys in the next one. We got big stuff going on for the WRX, and we have some little things going on with the ST. So 2 videos popping up. I'll see you later.